Here is a small briefing on Natural Language Processing Unit of AI Class 10th syllabus. Whenever you are revising NLP, start with this statement. NLP is basically a subfield of AI that focus on computer's ability to analyze, understand, process human languages. Human language is nothing, it is simple languages which we are using in our day to day life, starting from English, Hindi, French, Spanish, anyway. The main features of natural languages, features or the attributes of natural languages are that they are all having set of rules, a set of syntax and semantics, right? They are they are redundant in nature. That means the information can be conveyed in many, many ways. All natural languages will change over the time. And the common example, different meaning in different contexts, is the common issues which is actually occurring with the human languages. For example, his face turned red after he found that he took the wrong bag. The word red is not referred to the color here, it is for some other emotional feeling. So, what you can say is natural language processing is bridging between the human languages and computers. From natural languages, it is converted to digital format by NLP. Computer understandable format is possible by various NLP tools and techniques which you are going to learn further, right? It will contain topics like text analysis, speech recognition, sentiment analysis, language translation. Now, when we move to the application mainly consists of voice assistants, right? That take our natural speech, process it, and gives the output. Auto generated captions in YouTube videos you might have seen. They are generated by turning natural languages, speeches into text. Language translation, it incorporates the generations of the different one form of language to another form. Sentiment analysis, it is actually the way to express an opinion and where the opinion can range from positive, negative, or neutral. Text classification, it is a tool which classifies a sentence or a document according to a specific category. Keyword extraction, a tool to automatically extract the most used keyword from the context, right? So, in case any application comes, you can give the data based on these highlighted yellow. Now, when we are going to the next topic, we come to the stages of NLP. I'll suggest you to learn it from Learn Something Smart Daily Practice. Learn Something Smart Daily Practice refers to L. L stands for lexical analysis. Something S stands for synthetic analysis. The second S, that is SMART, refers to semantic analysis. D stands for discourse integration. And P stands for pragmatic analysis. All these stages should be learned in order. The very first topic is lexical analysis. In lexical analysis, entire corpus is broken down into sentences or words. Next come semantic analysis. Here we are checking for the grammatical rule based on the specific language. The next tool is semantic. Semantic refers to the senses of the word. We are making the senses, and according to the content, we are checking the sense of the word. Then we have discourse integration. That is it in relationship with the content which is given in the corpus? We check the storyline and then we are checking the relation of that word with the in context of that story. Last is pragmatic analysis. Here we are analyzing the sarcasm. Sarcasm in the sense how the things are being mentioned and they are referred to, right? Common application of NLP is referred in chatbot. Another important questions from board. Chatbot ka small definition you will be learning from here. A chatbot is a small computer program that is designed to simulate human conversation through voice command or text chat or both. Another thing which you will be referring in this is that whenever we are working with the chatbots can take the data from the voices or the text chats. There are two common types of chatbots which are available to us. One is script bot, another is smart bot. If the question in differences, generally it comes, the script bots are basically easy, while the smart bots are flexible and powerful. Script bots generally work around the script for which they are programmed, while the smart bot works on the bigger database and other resources directly. Most of the script bots are free, while the smart bots learn through the data. So, depending on the content, it is going to be dynamically changing. Little functionality and little language processing skills are required in scriptbot, while on the other hand, wide functionality and codes are required in the smartbot programming. Now, whenever we are talking about the text, or you can talk about the natural languages, in order to make computer understand these language, we need to convert it into the numerical format. And for this, we need to do the normalization. Normalization basically it is a step that is helping us in cleaning the text data in such a way that it can be lowered in the complexity and it can be understood well. There are 6 steps in normalization which you have to remember. Sentence segmentation, where you are framing the sentences out of the corpus. Tokenization, you are developing the tokens, all the individual words or the elements, whatever it is having. Then we remove the stop words, special characters, numbers, etc., which is actually considered non significant. Then we convert them into the common cases. They preferably we are converting it in the small cases. Stemming is we are removing the affixes. It can be prefix, suffix, affixes, any type of uh, term which is actually the root words is converted to any other format. All the prefixes are affixes are actually removed from here. And lemmatization is the step where we are identifying the root word from the language dictionary. Right now, once we have done the normalization, the tokens are converted into numbers, and for this we are using a type of model. That model's name is bag of word. It is an NLP model which will be helping us to find out the features of the text, and it will be helpful for machine learning algorithm to use it. The bag of word will provide you two things. One is the vocabulary of the words, and second is the frequency, how many times that word has occurred in the corpus. Again and again, I'm using the term corpus. Corpus is the master data which we are having in our natural language. Okay? Now, when we are implementing bag of word algorithm, there are few steps. Few, you can say 4 steps are there. The first is text processing, where collected data is used and it is pre-processed as we have done in the normalization. Then we create dictionary. It is making the list of all the unique words which is occurring in the given corpus, unique words, right? And then we create document vector in different forms, and then we are creating document vectors in the numeric form for all the documents. Now just have a look how the work is being done. If the question related to normalization या फिर bag of word come, they will be giving you the samples in this form. In let us say the corpus is given to us in a paragraph and we have divided into 3 specific sentences. That is, Aman and Avni are stressed. Aman went to therapist. Avni went to download a health chatbot. These are the 3 different sentences. We are referring them as a document 1, document 2, and document 3. After normalization, you all can see we will be using the term in the small letters and removing the stop words and framing it as a token. So document 1 becomes Aman, comma and comma Avni, comma are stressed, and this is how the 3 tokens are formed. Right? We are just separating it with a comma and the work will be done. तीनों sentences में you are going to actually use the word separated by the comma and continue. You may remove all the full stops and the special characters. After this, take the unique words in one list. Aman is repeated twice, we are taking once. And Avni are stressed. Aman is already taken, we are not taking. Went to a therapist. यहाँ पे to a we have taken, therapist also we have taken. Right? Avni we have already taken, went also we have already taken, to also is already there. So simple word which is left is download. We have already taken health, chatbot. These are the unique words that the dictionaries are framed. Okay. After framing the dictionary, you will be forming document vector. Document vector basically same thing. How many times? Let us say the first document, Aman and Avni are stressed. So how you will make the document vector for the same? Just draw three lines below this, all the keywords, all the dictionary elements, and put one in case this word is available in that document or not. If in document one, Aman and Avni are stressed, so document one, may one is for Aman. Yes, it is available. Availability means one. And again, and is available in the first sentence. So availability will be one. Avni are stressed. Avni are stressed. Three, you can say one, two, three, four, five ones are there, and rest of the places may you can fill up with zero. Now let's come to the second sentence. Let's come to the third sentence directly. Avni went to download a health chatbot. So Aman is not there, zero kar do. And is not there, zero. One. Avni is there, so one. Zero, zero. Then again went is there. So yes ka meaning hai one. Two, again it is the to download is available, health is available, chatbot is available. So all those things which are available you need to put one, and all those which are not available you will be putting zero in that. So this is what is referred as document vector, that how many times, it is also called as term frequency, the frequency of the word in one document, right? One is the term frequency for document one for Aman. One is the term frequency for document 2 for Ramayana again. Okay. Now, if you have made the term frequency, now there is a scope for document frequency. Ab document frequency kya hota hai? Basically, document frequency is the total of all the occurrence of that word. So in this case, you all can see Aman. Aman is occurring twice. So the document frequency becomes 2. And is occurring once. It is becoming once here. Avni is appearing twice, it is given twice. Therapist is coming once, it is one here. To a went. All of these three things are coming twice in all the three documents. So the total frequency of this term is referred as document frequency, and it is given in this form of table. I hope it is clear to you. After this step, you will calculate IDF. IDF is a simple format of calculation. It is basically an inverse document frequency. That means you will be giving the total number of documents divided by the document frequency, right? So the total number of documents are 3. So numerator may we will give 3, while the denominator may we will be giving document frequency of every uh, word, whatever is available in our dictionary. So for Aman, it is 3 upon 2. For and, it is 3 upon 1. Avni, it is 3 upon 2. R is once, so 3 upon 1. You can say all of them will have 3 in the numerator, and this will become its IDF. IDF is inverse document frequency. After this step, you will be calculating its TF-IDF. This is term frequency, inverse document frequency, which is now finally converting into the numeric format. The basic formula for term frequency, inverse document frequency is term frequency value multiplied by log of IDF of that value. For example, for Aman, we are taking what is the term frequency? We are talking about the document 1 now. The term frequency for Aman in document 1 is 1. Okay? So, what you will be writing here? 1 multiplied by log IDF. What is the IDF of Aman? It is 3 upon 2. So, you are writing 3 by 2. Okay? Again, I am taking for now and in document 1 is here, and is 1, so it will be tf1 multiplied by log, and what is the value of idf for and is 3 upon 1, so we can give it as 3 also. Upon 1 does not carry any existence, right? Now let's talk about okay, let's take the document to therapist. Now, how to calculate TF-IDF for therapist? What is the term frequency? Document 2 में how many times this therapist word has occurred? 1. So you will write 1 multiplied by log, and then IDF of therapist is 3. IDF of therapist we have to take, so it is 3. Can you now understand it? So this is how you will, and here only you will be leaving the question. I hope all the queries related to NLP is sorted. Still, if you have a query, do message me. All the best.